Man. I'm a photographer focusing on black and white fine art photos. This is my first POV video, and before I show you my day in Sydney from last Sunday, a couple of things to talk about. One is that as I'm learning how to make videos, how to edit videos, I'm making a lot of mistakes, and so the reason I'm sharing that with you is I want you to know it's okay to make mistakes, especially if you're starting out. But you just got to start out. And these videos aren't going to be perfect. I know that they aren't perfect. But for me and for my productivity and for my mindset, it was really important to actually just start these off and develop the skills necessary to make near perfect videos. So keep that in mind. This is my first POV video. Obviously very open to hearing your thoughts and your feedback in the comments. So let me know what you think. And two, I went out Sunday morning to make this video for you. And usually I try to get to the city around 9 a.m. Because if you've seen some of my work, I like to single out the subject in the frame. And being in a busy city, it makes that quite difficult. So in order to maximize my time, I usually try to get out on a Sunday morning around 9 a.m. before the city gets really busy, which is usually around 10:30, 11 a.m. On this day, however, I wasn't feeling the best, so I did end up getting to the city a little bit later in the morning, around 11, I think. And you'll see in the photos that it was difficult for me to single out subjects, but I got lucky. So I hope you enjoy this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.